Hello viewers, Mami Mapao yung tabiriba pumnamakpu ahan magtada taram na okchibagaloy na ikoknona kurumjeri. Mamang episode kidamakta adom na tambirak kiba feedback amali suggestion singi damakta su pumnamakpu haini ngay laytina tagato fongdoche. Ngasigi humpuga taret lakshiba episode sida kari karama Mapao sing puzarak bagi haibadu tamjige. Ahan bo ina tamjeri Mapao asi state ki thakta pangthokiba Pineapple Festival gi manung chan na pangthokiba Pineapple Queen kan kibigi paudam. School gi mahiroi singda music tambibaga mari leina na pangthokiba workshop ama loishin kibigi Mapao na ani shuba Mapao oina thamjeri. Megamis Notice amadi Mr. Notice sa sarap yarugada basingi infal audition pangthokibagi Mapao na ahom subada thamjeri. Mari shuba amadi aroibo oina thamjeri ba Mapao asina Boyton Lakli haina minthon ba Manipuri feature film amagi yaifa thawni gi thoram pangthokibagi Mapao. So folks, ahan mo ina thamjeri ba Thambal no Market Complex sa pangthokiba Pineapple Festival loishin ba numita Pineapple Queen 2019 kan kibagi Mapao asi kamdo bagi haibadu may ingtang.
Hello guys, Mami Mapao gi team na hojik leizari ba mafam asi Pineapple Festival tori ba mafam dani ngasi aroi ba numit mari ni pangthok pada aroi ba numit oi ba maram na yamna fazaraba aikoi gi Pineapple Queen gi contest amasu leizari mayam gi damak khaktuna thamlakpa haiza batare atopa musical concerts adagi jagoi gi thoram classical oiba cultural oiba mayam ama pangthokrabagi matungda hauji aikoina thengna gadawriba event haiza batare adudi aikoigi Pineapple Queen hairiba asini ado kamai tawriba event no haibado mayam gi maphamda soi soidana khutsin jaragani ngahak tangai minasi. Hojik aikoigi Pineapple Queen contest pangthokli aikoigi yamna fazaraba contestant mayam amaga loinana stage se big thale haiza batare ado ahan bada second runner up mamang chahi gi second runner up tabi khrabi susna maibam gani susna kamai tawrige
yam nungairi
ado ngasi dagidi Pineapple Queen gi second runner up ki winner ama oina lairambado ngasi dagi loira doini dana nangi range ado kai phaubi ge
nungai ta base mixed feeling ne haidi nungai ba su phawe nungai ta ba su phawe haidi nungai ta basna mu aigi matam loire former oidore ai adugi nungai ta phawe nungai ba haragadi anau ba khuina malak tore ko aigi maut sillaga aina tawri ba thabak mayam se moina muk taw horani adugi di nungai ba phawe
mamang chahi gi former first runner up winner ne Rosmita kamai tawrige
ai yamna nungai aduga puning shubasi yamna phawe ngasi smai ka buyak
ado crown sinagi doiredana crown sinagi doirabanina nangna aroiba ngasi je aroiba numit ne ba aduna aroiba numit sida queen na moina hojik phaugi di oiri nang ama laitrebanina aduna kai haibining haibado haibiyo
makha tarakpa lakadoriba adagi aigi title se pai hogadoriba queen se once a queen always a queen aduna queen amagi ethics to ngakna nupi ama oibagi gun to ngakna adum magi gracefulness adagi magi independentness to adum celebrate toroga feminism celebrate toroga adum life to enjoy to biyo makha tawas adum yaubiyo mayam slak biyo haininge.
Alright, akoy music laser pa mapam asina mo akoy gi backstage haija batare akoy mathang laaga first round loigre second round loigre aduga kuntra dudagi tara khangalak pa akoy gi top 10 contestants sing duni ai gi mangda pareng sana phambiri base
ai gi ming kavita saikhom laifam na mayang imphal dagi
ado top 10 chale ek question answer so hojik tawkhradai ne tawkhre ko answer pi khre ado kai phaupi ge hojik se
siap nungai haningai laita nungai pakhat ba pokte hene yam nungai boina phawe pakhat padi pokte
ai gi ming sapam merinda wangjinglam dingdagi
performance isana khallidana ai ngasidi fazan tawrame ai ngasidi nungai na tawrame natraga as kitang wala me kai khanbi ge regret ko malai bibra
ai kitang wala mamale sum isa imon chengjada bado tawe kitang de
Atopam sarda ming aduga laifam na thawal atopam dagi
top 10 chalak bajo kai phaubi ge
nungai ba phaw
top 5 ki am excited oi bra natraga top 5 changa adi am hoina ki ga na khanbi bra
top 5 changa di am nungai ni
thank you so much oh wow masa phajabe mem jo dai pra ngaure yam malangwan dana
anuncia sagol sem laifam na churchanpur dagi
top 10 chalak bajo kai phaubi ge
hausi pokiti am excited oi do result khangning bana yam eager oi
ai gi ming sapam susmita ai gi laifam na wabagai lamkai bazar dagi
isana bibi ge ba performance kamai to biki ge ngasi
adum phajana tawbi na khanjai hausi phogedi ado top 5 ki result se yam khangning e yam langtak laba ma jo po e ngonda
ai gi ming Lakshmi aduga ai gi laifam na wangkai dagi
ado top 10 chalak ba se kai phauge
ai yam nungai phawe aduga nungai bi hauji phaw so leiri
pakhat badi kamai tawri ge
pakhat pati dum khar ga di phawe
thank you so much
ai gi ming na Elizabeth ai gi laifam na thangoi bandagi
hojik sibu kai khalli ge ai sibu kai khan ra kai khalli ge
khangde ishor na dam bane yengasu
ai ming sital ko ai singzamai thamam lai kai dege top 10 lower matung yam nervous state amade di lai ba ka aduna ai gi site ge so modi prepare dau jare aduma haining
ai gi ming ne hojing koe and Alice Jessica ai na langol imphal ya near Sizarom da sabda dale
question se aruru ba mayam hange do moi loi phaja na khumme ai oina pakhat bada yeng bada
ai gi ming Selina ning thau khongjam laifam na game village imphal dagi performance khara dum nervous yam chat lai mi su crowd yam banina adubo I believe that it depends on the luck so no hard feeling
top 5 chalakani hai bagi belief te lai bi brai sada kamai to ge hojik se
adumakti haizaba ngamde adubo I'm really excited and really nervous as well
thank you so much mayam pumna makta akhoi Mami Mapao ge side tagi good luck haijaninge aduga top 5 ki damakta result pun nangai minarase alright that was all our contestants top 10 contestants top 10 yaurakna bagi damakta first round introduction round ama loikre and then second round traditional round ama loiraba matungda judge singi kaino moigi mark sing do phasana tally tawraba matungda mukhoi tara khangat pane ado mayamna sungjo soidana top 5 se kana na loga do bono aduga winners na ngasigi winners na kana oibano haibado punna mu yengminas alright akhoi gi ngasigi yam phazaraba event pineapple queen asibu successful oihen bada yamna chauna thodong loriba akhoi gi jury member sing siga haipetang wari sabage tanja du lojage hi ma'am
hello everyone hi
ado judge oi baje pineapple queen ge kamai to bi ge contestant sing siba
saying na hairadi last year dagi handa kisna yam hele contestant sing se homework to gai tare only sak phajaba khatang keraga khatang thokani haibagi wakhalon du nakan da thamaga more on kai haini education the base tawraga brains beauty with brains I think I can see that this year so I'm happy with all the contestants actually any festival tawba matamda ahan khatang natraga naha khatang involved tawgadaba nateba every walks of life the labor me khudimang involved tawgadabni masdaista. So youth is also a part of our state, our society. So I think this is a good platform. Everyone has got a chance to personality development over the, and then I don't know, very good I would say.
Sigi akoigi pineapple queen contest asida yauriba ichan sing asi aduki matik loina phajai sakchu loina phajai and then costume da kaida even everything loi phajai adumak poina some suggestion amanga tangde aina thamninge se karino haibda ngasai gi akoigi society da stage tholaga wangang base wangang bada akoigi stage fright adum lai bdauna adum tawe aduga sigi se yargai di hoi icham chamna tholaga stage da wangang hoi even akoi bauda adum kaino adum akoi da stress fright adum lai adumak pu confidence lai ragadi isa da ngasai akiba phawre kitang phadaraga phajana haihanninge hoi moi loimak talented oi aduga yargai di isana khangjaram basing do pakhat khidana haitare ne haiba ngamdabasu yawe haigada wana haida bida aduga hairoi da wana hairak pa haitare ne anu ngasai kitang concentration kitang piraga phajana machang oiba wa hena haihanning bagi adumaina suggestion amkhak as a jury oina thamjaninge.
Pineapple Festival gi part amane ba Pineapple Queen haiside ado akhoi Manipur gi oina di every festival every let's say orange kizu orange queen lay adagi pineapple kizu pineapple queen hana lay ado beauty pageant am hapchen base nupi obasing da kai ena kana ba phang bage habidom tang haibiyo
any event ama tawba matam da ko fashion shows maina hapak pase se nupi oba khoi gi di yamna chawthok chaningai ne women empowering ni ko da Manipur haiba lamsi da model haibagi part se yamna hanthana leirame hana di ko hojikti simaina makhal mathen gi event mayam ama tawbasi da simaina khoi gi model sing sibu sakhang biraga simaina event ase happy raga akhoi busu kai haini event sigi part ama oina akhoi busu saru ya hanbi ba phangan bi ba simaina akhoi gi Manipur gi title holder kaya ama leikre ko mapal da chattana iramdam gi mai porok ba kaya ama leire adu busu sakhang bi ba aduga akhoi gi inkhalla iba angang model oizaning ba kangu dasu platform ama pibiba asigumba keno se yamna phaba khongthang ni haina haijaninge matung dasu asidagi hena tawba ngambirakpa oisino haina aina isor dasu nijagan.
Second runners up 2018 Pineapple Queen. First runners up 2018 Pineapple Queen Rosmita Ketumayo. 2018 Pineapple Queen crown winner, Lampung Melody Debbie. Wow! Please give a big round of applause for the 2018 crown winner, Pineapple Queen, Melody.
अखोगी beauty pageant ama sinma matamda yamna maru oise contestants leire light sound loinama thamamaga khwaidagi important oibase show directors ne mayam bu takpiriba mayamna utliba mayam je loinama masa mahakna tambi bane haijaba tare
do sang ko eloi gramnina haibdi hanan leiramba pressure mayam hadi angang singsi soira kadra na taga performance sira kadra haibgi am ning lawbo tani khomai haibdi akhoi da phangi ba grooming class sumna gi mi mari mangal den phangdaba amna akhoi ne pinning level class में etiquette attitude adagi walk ki matang adagi question answer adagi kamaina camera facing tawuni adagi kamaina body posture bi gani ha me am do haining ga su taming ga so khoi na mo matam phangi da bagi pen lau da ba khoi da tuna soira kadana pakhalaga ngasi mo ne yam bhajana si so bam hu yaudana perform tro pasida suki matik noai phawi aduga isada su Sahukjabam Fauzai Maramdi Angang Singsgi Mapandagi Aibusu Saktapi Bagi Tanzamu Sumin Bibidi Adana Puning de Amnungaiba Harauba Amadi organization Andogi Dog Pusu Aibuko Viragam from Masida Aibusaru Hamibitam Duso Dog Kisite Adagi Tamo Sankumar Busu Hanan Tagachari Hamda Mayam Giming Dorisi Fashion Topa Video Contest Film Lila Damada Labor Kambu Singsi Nepal Nupi Langwa Pambango Pambo Ming Amadu Ubi masi mati amna lale hai bu kuting sing si art ki makha loina manung sangi an art amada khong thangjala pai bse isa ki dedication ama yaudana oibong amde masi langasi contest asi tholiba condition sing asi hekta tabanate competition si matang level la aga ta phone duna makhoi so hard work amadi self determination ma ama sangi aduna akhoina makhoi da class bi matam da so number 1 akhoina si positive attitude layo self confident layo aduga tawge sakang changi ba thabak 100% effort hada view have aduga know why you are here and what are doing have sa masi ma phung khudi mu ta ningsong stage oi gara rem to oi gara punsi gi thabak to oi gara have sing se makhoi da class bi adubu mayam gi miyeng da hujik hara gadi khagadi hal adubu taseng na model la moi ba film star mo oi ba adagi art ki line sang ba se hona ba kan draba puning sang draba kathok po yaw draba masidi oibang am banate manam aduna bo celebrity have a policy ahoi gi film industry adagi glamour industry da le mise kai gina hadi mina khwaidagi pamba khwaidagi kalakko simbam haragadi glamour industry sini ano glamour industry le ba sing si tarai phangam tanate maha ki hono zaman wana khangakpa mayam dugi tanja du mahangna miyam gi support ke loina khangapani mamduna hai ba philosophy gi miyo emo oiba matamda asugi mati khang kan ba katop kan ba niti niwam sumna leiba ma changi hai ba se ai miyam da taseng na thamjaki
Pineapple Queen second runner up goes to contestant number 2525 Nei Hou Sing Song Loi. Pineapple Queen first runner-up goes to contestant number 28 Sarangtem Lakshmi. The Pineapple Queen, the real champion, the real winner, goes to contestant number, ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 1 and Selena.
Moment of truth is finally here. Akoi ki winner ahum lei re akoi mamang da mayam kamai to we dom tang yem winner se akoi masak yam pajabi ahum ne. All right. Hana second runner up te han hora ge. Hi, how are you feeling right now?
Well, I'm feeling so happy and so excited because I don't even expect that I'll be going up till this position. So I'm feeling so happy. I can't even express in words that much happiness I'm having right now.
So what do you wish to do with the thing?
To be honest, the cash that I used to get, I used to give all to my mom first of all, because my mom handled everything in our house. She take care of 7 children and my dad as well. So I hand over it to my mom, and when I need for any charity or any purpose, or to purchase my dress, to purchase a dress, I'll ask from her. That's I really do.
So thank you so much again and congratulations again. All right, first runner-up. The beautiful first runner-up. How are you feeling right now? Kamay to Riga Zixiba.
Yam nungaiba pa
Ngasay top 10 gi haidi top 10 khalle haina interview loba matam da di itha thaja de da kai lehau dai na kamai tawre ga jigna
ado in thaja da bada aseng wo ore ado amuk hena rawring ngasay raw bada da
ado hazikti first runner up ki title ma su phange dana aduna future 1 year ne banang na rain tawdoi se aduda kai ngasai ma'am haibi khidana for the development and economical enhancement kaina ga ado kai tawge haina di directly khalli bage hazik ngamma kan jida de
ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯝꯃꯀꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯆꯦꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯁꯞꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦ.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi. All right, the one and only Pineapple Queen 2019. Congratulations, darling. You are fabulous. Ngasi yam phazana performance loin magpi and you aduga akhoi amana amade heli amana amade tai haibedi na tabaka. But judges na nangonda extra potential ubadagi khalak pasu oiram gani haina thaje. So how are you feeling right now?
I'm really excited and right now I'm speechless. I guess I'm speechless.
I can see you cry like from the stage.
So after they announced the result, I almost cried.
So is the tears of joy or excitement or what would you call it?
It is the tears of joy and excitement, I believe.
So since you are now crowned as the Pineapple Queen 2019, of course there's a lot of responsibilities coming upon you, I suppose. So what do you think? What do you think that you can do since you've already said that it's this particular organization is only for the enhancement of the farmers? So what do you plan to do like on the next step since you have a year with you? A year is a very long time. So what do you plan to use it on?
Since I've won the 2019 Miss Pineapple, first of all, I would like to promote the farmers and encourage them. That's first of all that I want to do and inspire the younger generation. That's why I was in.
Very beautiful. All right, that was the winners of Pineapple Queen 2019. Aikoigi winners sing kankraba tungda ngasigi oina di matang asida aikoigi Pineapple Queen amasung 12th State level Pineapple Festival asi matang asida loisinjare haijabatare. So akoi Mami Mapao viewers singidamakta wish matang dipiramuda na noy ma'am taga. One. Let's do it 1-1. All right.
Okay, all the viewers, whoever saw me right now or watch me, please don't lose heart even in terms of difficult situation. Even when you are alone or even when you feel down, don't let that define you. Be strong and wake up strong and let yourself define as a strong warrior. Thank you.
That is so beautiful. All right, and also follow the Instagram IG thing. Okay, the first runner-up. Ako Mami Mapao viewers sing the wish kay pipinig a message or anything.
I am simple. I've got some kahaninge. Live your dreams.
The winner ge message ti ako Mami Mapao viewers sing the.
Believe in your dream, chase your dream, even if you fail several times. Do not lose hope. Thank you.
That is very true. Panyamlak turazu panyamlak maichiba phanglasu akoigi hope se sumang manghandana amukka hanna adum try again last abudi dum ngamba sane ko. Okay, that is all. Jokes apart, that was the highlight of the function of the event. Pineapple Queen 2019. I hope everyone enjoyed. Mayam sungsoy na nungay ba programa ma nungay ba event ma oiram kani haina su khalle ado na tungda su Mami Mapao hen support of you. This is Strela signing out. Bye bye.
Congratulations to all the subtitle and title winners of Pineapple Queen 2019. Makatarapa punsigi kongchitasu hena mai papo obiu. Karam sinbiri basingbusu haininga laitana tagache. Matanga lokachariba workshop for teaching of music to school children mapung fana pangthoktuna mai pangaloshin kibagi Mapao asi amo min
Namit nifu mangani giwaiba residential workshop for teaching of music to school children. Tha sige hukibatang tarada Maharaja Chandakriti Auditorium da mapung fana losin krei. Ministry of Donor ge support of musical instrument and teaching music to school children have a project in Makada Manipur lenga ki Art and Culture Department sindru workshop do pangto kibane. Workshop losin mi thorama da Art and Culture Minister L Jente Kumar made department sigi director A Sibdasu Sarugyaki.
Lenga ki thorang thagataba ngamjade asigma project asina iramdam asigi grassroots tagi hauduna music chawkat hanbada achuba mateng oigadawi bani haina thangjage matang swada yamna tenba break amakhat aujage. We will be right back at watching Impact TV. Welcome back adong namit ang tabiriba si Impact TV ni Sandok Chariba Mami Mapao ki humpuga taret lakshiba episode ni. Break matunga sida nga sige ahum suwa pao ay natamjariba. Mega Miss and Mr. Notice 2019 na sarap yaruga da basingi. Infal audition ta asige ho ki batang tarukta. Kay sampatalay ba Hotel Vego da pang toki bagi Mapao asi punna mi ang kaminas.
Laklib August thada mega entertainment sinduna Guwahati da pangthokadoriba Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast ki tarataret suba edition namade Garnier Man Mega Mr Northeast ki tara suba edition pangthokadoriba duda iramdam sigi mahut sinduna saruk yarugo daba saen bi singi Infal audition tha sigi hoki batang taruk ta pangthokre Panbayai Northeast India gi oina khwai ki chawu beauty pageant mani haina launa riba beauty pageant asigi Mega Mr Northeast 2019 na August nipan da amade Mega Miss Northeast 2019 na August mapan da pangthokadori
Guwahati da ITA complex ta tawdaba Northeast ki edugum laba beauty pageant amane ko Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 2019 na masi Sunsilk ne sponsor to badum ba the biggest pageant of the Northeast ne sige man event se Guwahati da Masqua ITA complex ta pangthokadaba August ki date 8 na Garnier Men Mega Mr Northeast 2019 and then after that nongalaga that 9th of August na Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 2019 to kada ba ko ngasi tawjaga dorib sa maski audition ne Infal audition nupa nupi ahum man ngasi gi wena dikal nei ko adu vacancy condition gi matungina 3 regina 5 of ta gani nupa gi mga nupi gi mga smana kan galaga duka yamna nungai bam na Garnier the winner will be direct entry to Mr. International 2019.
Iramdam asigi mahut sinduna sarap yaruga da ba contestant pumna maki mafamda wispizeri iramdam giming chat pura pasoy da na oibiu. Hawjik nga sige mari shiba amadi aroy ba mapao ay tamjari ba Boyton Lakli haina mington ba Manipuri feature film amagi yai fa Tony Tauram pang toki bagi mapao asi may ingtamis.
Home Films Manipur ke banner makhada taramathoi suboina puthokadaba Boyton Lakle han mingthon ba Manipuri feature film amagi yaifa thauni Mami Khongho gi thoram tha sigeu ki batang tareta kwa ketel moirang pure leiba khetri subodani ge sangai da pangthokre Manipur lenga ki art and culture department gi director Adibam Sibdas Sharma senior writers and playwrights forum Manipur gi president Manaubi amade film ga mari leina ba mioi kyana saruk yaduna yaifa thauni pangthok film asida Susmita Ratna Arvindo Elias Boyton Anjali Lilabati amade Puneshwari na chingba maming leraba mamiroi kyana saktam langgadori
Home Films ke film asi mai partner apan da yaudana putok piduna miyam na pamna ba magun lay ba Manipuri film ama soiden orasunu haiba wa film asi tamjabaga loinya na nga sigidamak tadi Mami Mapao matang swaida tensin janabe kitan jadu lawzige Adumak dear viewers, please do subscribe our channel on YouTube and never forget to leave your feedback and suggestions in the comment box. See you guys on the next episode with more Mapao. Have a great time.